Is PayPal available in Nigeria now? The answer is yes, finally. Now, the aim of this video is to show you how you can now get your PayPal Nigerian account created. And I'm not talking about how bad PayPal has treated Nigeria in time past. So, if you want to know how to create PayPal account in Nigeria so that you can receive payment or your cash from anywhere in the world and then withdraw your money directly into any of your Nigerian bank accounts, then keep watching this video. Meanwhile, if you want me to help you create your own PayPal account, either Nigerian PayPal account, UK PayPal account, or US PayPal account, and you just want to avoid the stress, of course, I will just do that for you. You can reach out to me using the WhatsApp chat number in the video description just below this video. Also, another quick one, I now have a free to join WhatsApp community for business owners or business enthusiasts, or maybe you are an online money enthusiast, or maybe you even have services or products that you think that my community will be interested in. All I share in the group are just free informations, especially as I can't always make videos for every important update. I'll leave the link to that WhatsApp group also in the video description. So if you want to know how to create your own Nigeria PayPal account so that you can start receiving money legitimately from Nigeria without needing to go through the back door, then stay hooked and let's get on to the video. So the first thing you want to do is to launch your browser and type in paypal.com. Of course, you don't have to worry over using VPN now. And please try to do this using your phone, okay, and not a laptop. You will see the reason why I said so as we go on. So as you can see from my address bar here, it already indicates that you are in Nigeria or you are using Nigerian PayPal, something we used to avoid like plague, okay, if we are creating UK or US PayPal. But now you don't have anything to worry about, okay? So come here and click sign up. Here, you want to input a Gmail address that you have never used to attempt to create any PayPal before, and then you want to click on the next button. Okay, they may not always ask for this security check, but if they do, just go ahead and tick I am a human, as you can see on your screen there. Again, if we are creating the UK PayPal, for instance, we will need to buy a foreign phone number to complete this page, but good enough here, we can easily use our Nigerian phone number. Again, make sure it's a number you haven't attempted on PayPal before, okay? So the number also must be active because a verification code is going to be sent to that number via a text message. So once you're done, you want to click on the next button. So my own verification code has been sent to my number, so I will fill it in here. It will take you to this page where you want to create your strong password. And once you're done doing that, you want to click on the next button. Now, this is a straightforward form. I will go ahead and just fill the form appropriately. Please know that you must fill this form accurately. You don't want to lie, because if you do, this is not going to work, okay? So that also tells you that this paper that we are trying to create is not the kind of paper you want to use for fraud, okay? If you think it's fraud you want to really use this for, it's not going to work, because eventually you will easily be trapped. So you don't want to do that. But also there are some times that you want to carry out some transactions that are not purely official, okay? So in that case, you might want to just go with the UK or the US PayPal account. But if you know that everything you're doing is just straightforward, then you can go ahead and continue this registration process. So I'll go ahead and complete my form. Okay, so once you're done filling the form, go ahead and click the agree and create account button. Now, PayPal will request for a basic face identification and ID card verification in their KYC, and that is the reason why I said you have to use your phone to carry out this process. So all you just need to do is to make sure that your face is well lit, follow the camera prompt on how to position your face, and it should be captured in a few seconds. And once you're done with that, click the next button for your ID card verification. Now, as for your ID card, the default ID card here is your driver's license and your international passport. And if you expand the option, your national ID card can also be used. But if you don't have any of these, but you have your voter's card, you should use it. It will also be accepted. So my recording app actually messed me up because it didn't record the later part of this side of the guide. But it's very simple. Once your KYC is successful, PayPal will send a verification link to that Gmail address. Just go ahead, go to your inbox, check for the mail, open it and click on the link. Okay, the account will be verified. Though you will also be logged out, so just input your email address and your password again, and then your account will open and your PayPal account will start working. It's just as simple as that. And then once that is done, there is also the second process you have to go through before you can start making withdrawal from your PayPal account into your Nigerian bank account. Now, PayPal is actually in partnership with Paga to make PayPal available to Nigerians for now. So you have to create a Paga account, and then you want to link your PayPal account to your Paga account so that you can transfer your money from PayPal down into your Paga account, and then from Paga you can go ahead and transfer your money into your local bank account. Now, if you have watched my UK PayPal account creation video tutorial, you will notice that what we use for UK PayPal to be able to transfer money into our own local account is Grey app, right? But here, Paga is carrying out that function for us. If you want to see that video on how to create your UK PayPal account, I will also leave the link to the video in the video description just below this video. And if you want me to help you create your own PayPal account from start to finish, just like I mentioned already, also reach out to me using the WhatsApp chat link in the video description. So what you want to do right now is just to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. Then you want to search for Paga, and then you want to install the app. Obviously, you will also need to carry out your KYC on Paga. So here, fill in your NIN and click Verify Identity. Again, Paga will need your face capture, so go ahead and do it just like we did for PayPal a while ago. Then click on Continue. Here, fill in the phone number you used for your NIN to verify your NIN, okay? Again, you want to go over and fill in all your correct details on this form as you're seeing on your screen. And once you're done filling the form correctly, you want to click on Submit, okay? So here, you can create your Paga tag by selecting any one of your choice here. So congratulations, you have now been able to successfully create your Paga account. So now that your PayPal account is ready and your Paga account is ready, what you want to do now is to link your PayPal account that you created a while ago into your Paga account so that you can send money from PayPal to Paga right from the Paga app, okay? So what you want to do now is to click on Go to Dashboard, and then come to the top right corner here and tap the drop down arrow and select PayPal account here. Well, if they request for either your BVN or NIN confirmation again, just go ahead and do it. The phone number that is linked with my BVN. Now here you will see that Paga will give you a clue as per the number that is linked. But it's a simple thing. All you need to do is to fill in your own number. And once you have done that, the Verify BVN button becomes active. Just click on it. Then you'll be requested to log into your PayPal account from your Paga wallet. Go ahead and do that, and your PayPal account is going to be connected to your Paga account. So if for any reason PayPal limits your account, just don't panic. It's normal. They will always request for your information so they can just verify and know exactly who you are and what you do, okay? And since in this case it's a Nigerian account, then you don't have any issue to worry about. All you need to do is to provide the information that they request for, and then go ahead and your account is going to be released once you submit all of those information. That is how they do it. Note also that you must still follow all the rules of PayPal that is existing here in Nigerian account too. If not, it doesn't mean that your account can never be blocked or even permanently blocked, okay? So if you go against the PayPal rules, they will block your account. So you want to make sure that you follow the rules also for your Nigerian PayPal account. Finally, you can go ahead and download your PayPal app now from your Play Store or App Store, since we have nothing to fear about being blocked. Again, you don't need any VPN to be able to access your PayPal account via the app because it's a Nigerian PayPal we are working with now. So go ahead and enjoy it, and let's hope this time around PayPal Nigeria has come to stay. If you need help in creating yours, or you need anything about setting up your business in Nigeria, then you can reach out to me via my WhatsApp chat number in the video description. Please share this video, like it, and if you're not yet subscribed to this channel but you love what we do here, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the alert bell so that YouTube will notify you when I create new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.